Embark on a culinary adventure with the zest of sun-kissed oranges and the deep allure of cocoa, merging into a healthy, decadent mousse. In mere moments, wholesome ingredients dance together, transforming into a velvety chocolate dream, promising indulgence without compromise. Watch as this silken starter takes its form, a foundation of pure chocolate orange bliss, perfectly poised for its next luscious layer. Now that our vibrant starter is gently chilling to perfection, let us prepare the heart of our journey, a verdant embrace. The crisp, earthy notes of pistachios emerge, hand-chopped to release their aromatic essence, ready to crown our creation. A generous scattering of emerald jewels blankets the rich chocolate, adding a delightful crunch and a whisper of nutty sophistication. As our layers meld in harmonious anticipation, we approach the grand finale, a dessert designed to enchant every sense. A radiant citrus bloom unfurls atop our masterpiece, promising a burst of freshness that brightens the rich, deep flavors below. Witness the exquisite layers yield to the spoon, a symphony of textures, from creamy mousse to crunchy nuts, a moment of pure bliss. In just 5 minutes, a healthy indulgence is born, your chocolate orange pistachio mousse, a guilt-free pleasure, ready to be savored.